Introducing Sam Wheeler invention, Semco fridge over-the-door table shelf. This table shelf is fridge over-the-door installation, installing here with smart tray to make kitchen food preparation easier, to save time and money. To install this, we take Velcro and putting on the door. And then we have another Velcro here, and we're putting on the top. Now it's just pressed, and when we close, it's holding very good. And it has a tray, and this tray has a magnetic holder, just like this. And then when we need it, we take it out, open the table of the shelf, putting tray on the top, open the refrigerator, and instead of going back and forth 10 times with the food, we're putting food on top in one time, everything what we need for food preparation or for breakfast or for lunch. And then we can take all food, we could take this all food in one time. Also we close the door. And then we have everything is here ready to pick up. We pick up tray, smart tray with all food, and we go on countertop, and now we don't need to go back and forth 10 times, especially for women, for old, for sick people, for every people. Now we have this tray empty, and now we could start making food preparation. After we finish